Okay, good morning. I got a product here. The drain's been running a little slow. It's called the drain weasel spike. So I'm gonna unpackage this and see what the deal is with it. Give me a second. Okay. Basically, it's just got some teeth on the bottom of it. I'm going to put it down inside the drain here. You find a place that I can get it down here. There we are. There we go. Let's see what we end up pulling out of here. Nothing. Oh. The drain is clean. I took a second stab at this and there's quite a clog down there. So we're gonna clean this off and we'll give it a try again. This is awful. It's like a rat in your drain. Really nasty. Down the drain. Nope, that's it. Got it works.